If your Cash app keeps canceling your Bitcoin withdrawal for your protection, don't worry. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix it, step by step, so you can get your BTC moving again. Follow carefully so you don't miss anything. First, open your Cash app just like you normally would. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. This takes you straight into your account settings. Now scroll down through the options. Make sure you're following along, because clicking the wrong section can send you to a completely different page. Once you reach the lower part of the screen, tap on support and let it load fully. You should now be on Cash App's support page. This section is designed to help with all kinds of problems, but today we're focusing on Bitcoin. Scroll until you see the Bitcoin option and tap it. Here, you'll find several topics related to BTC issues. Scroll all the way to the bottom until you see chat located under the Contact Us section. Tap that and wait for the next screen to appear. Cash App will now ask if your issue is linked to a specific transaction. Since this cancellation message isn't tied to a single withdrawal, choose Not About a Transaction. You'll be taken straight into the Cash App chat box. Here's where you want to send a clear, simple message. Something like, "My Bitcoin withdrawal was canceled for protection. I need help verifying my account and completing the withdrawal." Send the message and give the support team some time. They usually respond with the exact steps needed to fix the issue for your specific account. And that's it. This is the correct way to contact Cash App support and resolve the Bitcoin withdrawal canceled for your protection issue. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.